Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make delicious Tigernut drink. I already have a couple of recipes on this Tigernut series, however this is a different recipe, so let's proceed. I'll be using dried tiger nuts for this. In my last video, I showed you guys some dried tiger nuts, so I still have them at home, so I'm going to be using them. Now, I also explained in another video that dried tiger nuts are my absolute fave when it comes to making tiger nut drink. So after washing properly, I'm going to soak, and then I'll be using coconut, not so much. And if you're wondering for how long I soaked my tiger nuts, 2 hours is enough for me. This is because I do not want to stress my blender, so I'm going to proceed to add it to my coconuts. I have a video on how to avoid spoilage when making tiger nuts drink. Now this is the star ingredient of this recipe. I have here with me beetroot. I'm going to proceed to add my beetroot. Trust me, this tasted so different. I'm going to add my dates as well, and I'll be using dried ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger, but this is what I have available. Now I'm going to link the other recipes on how to make tiger nut drink at home. Avoid spoilage, I have a video, and some of the benefits of tiger nuts. I'm going to link everything in the description box. Add everything to your blender, add water, and proceed to blend. Now, one thing I love about tiger nuts is the fact that they can be paired with almost everything, meaning you can blend them with pineapple, you can blend them with apples, you can blend them even with grapes and a lot. So other recipes will be coming up. Please stay tuned. If you've watched to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now I'll be using 2 methods of straining, 2 layers I'd rather say, and this is because I do not have a cheesecloth. If you have a cheesecloth, please use it. Now a lot of people do this as a business, so everyone tends to avoid spoilage because that's a huge losses. I am going to link the video on how to avoid spoilage. This is basically just paying attention to very little things that you might turn to ignore. Now into a bottle, you're going to add your tiger nut drink immediately. And I love this color. I also have a video on my channel on how to make beetroot drink without a juicer or blender. I also have a video on some of the benefits of beetroot. I'll link them in the description box. You might want to check them out. After transferring to your bottle, you're going to proceed to keep this in the refrigerator, depending on if you drink it immediately or in the freezer if you want to store. Now this is what it looks. Look how fine this drink is. If there's anything I do know about dried tiger nuts, it's the ability to produce more milk. Personally, I always use dried tiger nuts. I love them. However, there are other cases where if you find fresh tiger nuts, then you can use them, although they tend to get sour easily, which is something you should consider as well. Now, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved this video, and we'll have other recipes, other yummy drinks, other tasty and delicious drinks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll most definitely see you in my next video.